Say it again. He can't hear you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, that's nice. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Are we going to see Daddy soon? Yeah?
Uh-huh.
What's Daddy's name?
Kevin.
Michael Kevin.
Michael Kevin.
Yeah. Can you say happy birthday, Michael Kevin?
Happy birthday, Michael Kevin.
Hooray! Tell Daddy, what kind of pants are you wearing? Khaki. Are they khaki pants, like Mommy's?
Uh-huh.
And what color's your shirt?
Blue.
Yeah. Are you a big girl?
Uh-huh. Happy anniversary.
All right, say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Can you blow him a kiss?